What's up guys, Extreme Guns here, and today I have the LEGO MP9 Bulldozer from Counter-Strike Global Offensive. And this has to be one of my favorite submachine guns, if not my favorite. It probably is my favorite, because I even prefer this over the P90, just because I just like the gun in all the ways that it is. And I made it with the Bulldozer skin, which is basically just yellow with some black fiddly bits all over the gun. Let's go over the functions. So first off, we got the magazine release, non-ambi. Press it, magazine comes out as these details. Bullet. Automatically locks in. Then we have a folding stock, which has this button that you press like this, and then it folds to the side. Very nice. There you have the trigger. Stock automatically locks when you fold it back, like that. Then you have the iron sights. It's just, yeah, very nice. Here you got the muzzle. It's pretty big. You got the angled foregrip. Very nice. And then we have the main function, which is the bolt and the charging handle. You can pull it back and release it. And you have a slide lock. It basically works like a pistol slide lock. You just push it up, pull it back, push it up. And actually, the bolt and the charging handle piece are separated. So like this. You can even power stroke it. Or then you can just press this. Like that. Love that sound. It has these two weird things on the sides. So yeah, love the looks of this gun. Let's put it down here. That's what it looks like from afar. Yeah, so love the gun. I love the way it looks in this environment. Very cool. Let's shoot the water. Pew, 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 pew. Yeah. The foregrip is about right, but it's been Extreme Guns, and we'll see you in the next video. And I even forgot to show you the field strip of the gun, which is the mag out, pull the charging handle, nothing in there. So yeah, so you press these tabs down, and then you gotta like fiddle it a bit. Like this, you pull it back, one stud, and then it just all comes off. Then here you can take all your internals off. It's just a shell now. Like this, and here's your bolt and your barrel. Sorry about those. And here's slide lock. Yeah, everything's breaking. We'll see you in the next video.